Okay.
So I started writing rhymes at 13 and I went to the studio for the first time when I was 15. Actually, you get knowledge from people you work with.
With.
That will last long than someone you just meet in a party. Hanyuma the next day you meet again, you smash, and next week you're dating.
You're strangers, so you're dating.
Yeah, next month you're gonna break up.
So you feel like a relationship happened mostly between best friends, like someone you're pretty close.
Someone you really know, someone who knows you. You need to get to know each other before you get into a relationship.
How many? Do you believe in 90 days rule?
Rukundo rugotesha izindege ndapoweshaho ndabizi ndi umusega amakosa ndayemeraho. Baby, you the one that helped me. I done been through hell and back, and you the one that saved me.
Hey everyone, welcome to Next TV. It's your favorite host, aka me, Mutoni August, and you must turi kumwe n'umutipe mwiza cyane agiye kutwibwira nyine. Hi.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm doing good.
Yeah, I'm doing good too.
Okay, ntago ndi bumuvuge, but I will say what he does. He's a musician, he's a rapper, he's a singer. Man, ararenze. He's really, really talented and
I appreciate.
So, ugiye kutubwira amazina yawe n'abantu badukurikiye. I'm sure a lot of them knows you, but they would like to hear you.
But my name is Kenny K. Shot.
Kenny K. Shot.
Yes.
Ngamumvishije. This is the guy turi kumwe uyu munsi, and we're going to know a little bit about him. Tujye kumubaza ibibazo byerekeye his music career, what he likes. Biga tugende. It's like Q&A. Yeah,
sure, no problem.
So it's me. I'm gonna ask him question for you guys and for myself. Yeah. So we should start. So can you tell us about how you started music? How old are you? If it's okay.
I started making music I started writing rhymes at the age of 13. 13.
Okay. Was it like R&B, hip hop?
It was rap.
Rap. Okay.
It was hip hop. Because I was listening to it ever since I started. Ever since I grew up listening to hip hop.
Okay.
So I started writing rhymes at 13 and I went to the studio for the first time when I was 15.
15, like did you take yourself there?
No, it was a group. A bunch of rappers at school who went to the studio, had to make song together, like so many people on the song.
Oh, okay, so it was like
it was like a whole, like we called it we called it All Stars. Like it was back where we were studying at Lycée de Kigali.
At 15, man, you were pretty young.
Yeah, I was young. I was 15, 16.
15, 16. Anyway, like I said, where really how was like the lyrics of the song? What were you singing about? Was it live?
When I was 13.
Friendship.
When I was 13, it was whack.
Indirimbo zari ziri about what? Friendship, relationship. What was it?
It was just about rapping. I was rapping about things I didn't even have.
You're talking about many headers and stuff?
Fuck the headers, things I didn't even know.
So, did you have any headers?
No, I didn't even have any headers. I was just, learning how to
write the songs.
To write songs.
Like, who inspired you to rap?
Eminem.
Like Eminem, the man himself.
Kendrick, J. Cole.
So who's your favorite right now?
And Lil Wayne. My favorite right now.
Lil Wayne mukundiriche. I just want to know. I'm just curious though.
Lil Wayne. Lil Wayne, he knows like his songs. He's a genius. The way he makes his music, the way he writes his song, and he's hardworking. His work ethic is something else.
Now he's been in the game forever.
Yeah, forever, kabisa. Yeah, for sure.
You were inspiring. Then the first time was Eminem, and then as you grew up,
Kendrick, J. Cole, all those people came, and Drake. Drake is actually my favorite
right now at the moment.
Right now, nobody else is bigger than Drake.
Drake is good too.
He's amazing. He's not good.
He's great. But like great. It is a pretty greatest. The greatest.
He's a legend.
He's a legend.
Yeah.
No cheers.
He's the greatest.
But then anyway, so you went to the studio like at 15, 16. What happened to the song?
The song came out.
Which one? Is it still like out there where we could find it?
It's like, probably on SoundCloud. I don't even know which
SoundCloud. No, what are you? Do you remember like the lyrics?
The lyrics? No.
Look at the part you sang.
No, I can't remember. I was like rapping.
Like,
how many
I was
rapping
years
so
ago?
fast. It was my first time.
Were you nervous?
Very.
What if the one could go? Anyway, how it would like tell us expectation? What if it the first time? Reality wasanze. You know, that was your first time going to studio. So like, how were you feeling? Like, how was the feeling? Cyangwa expectation? What if it na reality? Byize bimatchinga.
Reka mbivuge mu Kinyarwanda. It was a Friday. Yari kwa gatanu. After nyuma y'ishuri.
Nyuma y'ishuri utashye wiga gura externe.
Twari twapanze externe. Twari twapanze ko Friday tuzajya studio yari inyuma y'ikigo nyene cyaho twigaga za Nyamirambo.
Wigaga he?
Nigaga kuri lycée de Kigali.
Edaka.
Studio yari i Nyamirambo. So turabyumvikanaho ibiki n'ibiki. Turavuga ngo turagenda saa 11 n'igice by 8 turaho twatashye
twese. Mwatashye. Saa 11 muvuye ku ishuri.
But deja school there was hari gathering y'abana, hari assembly. Noneho
mwari externe cyangwa mwari muri mwe
twari aba externe ariko hari n'abandi bari buze
gusimbuka.
Twari benshi. Noneho
mwari nkabangahe?
Twari turi nk'icumi. Kandi ngiye mutoya wari urimo.
Abandi bigaga mbere yawe.
Bari bakuze fo. Kandi bari abastari no kundusha rero it was an honor for me.
Ubwo urumva wari on time rwose uvuga ati ibintu byose
kabisa. No kuva school it was like already byaranje kuba 6. Hanyuma tuhagera nk'aga saa moya.
Yego.
Kwageraga saa moya baravuga ngo harimo umuntu uri gukora iminota 30.
Mu mutegereza kuko abanyeshuri bwitegereza umuntu.
Ariko iminota 30 yari ivuze amasaha 3.
Jesus Christ. Ubwo expectation zanye zose zari zibaye boom.
Kandi ubwo nyine ho mu rugo bazi ko nagiye ku ishuri kandi nagiye kuri studio. At 15 of course very weird. Bigize saa 3 umuntu acyategereje kuri.
Uracyategereje utari wanakora.
Nanakora yeah. Twa recordings saa 4 na saa 5 and yari umuriro. Nta n'ikibasobanura iki.
Kandi hariya wari wiyemeje avuga ati umva ngomba gukora ino ndirimbo nashaka bankubite. You're glad you did it.
Yeah, I'm glad I did it.
Who was in the song? Like anyone we know?
I remember there were so many people on the song twiganaga at school. Must be like I don't remember anyone
8
else.
Years.
Yeah. This is the guy who was called Freeman. Those are the people I remember. Abandi bose ntago mbibuka. Noriega ndio kizina Noriega.
Ushaka baranahinduye amazina.
Ushaka kuba
batanakitaye amazina nyine ndabasigaye bitwa amazina yawe cyangwa
amazina yabo bari abantu bakora ibindi bintu.
Barakomeje bakora music cyangwa they went into something else?
Nago they went into something else of course because I don't know where they are now.
Nago you haven't heard from them
Yeah.
None se nk'abasubira gusubira mu kigo what happened to them? Abari gusubira mu kigo what happened to them?
They went back to
the school.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, that was a hassle.
It was a hassle kabisa.
So like when was the second time like you went there? Cyangwa the time you went there and ukavuga okay, this time I'm starting my music career no for good?
Yeah, it was when I did my first solo single track. Yitwaga Too Many. Yeah. And ndajya njyenyine kuri studio. My friend had given me the money. I didn't have the money. So I went there.
Wakoreye kwande?
Heavy Kicks.
Yes.
Okay.
I have no idea, but I will know. I'll get to know the person.
He's a producer in Rwanda.
Okay. I'll get to know him. I'm sure.
You get to know him. And that's where I did my song. The very
first one.
Yeah.
Yari muri rurimi.
Cyongereza. It was in English.
I never heard
full
your
English.
song like kuririmba mu Kinyarwanda except this one. I was like, is that you?
Really?
Cyangwa? Yeah, no, it didn't vicious. I think I have a song.
You need
with
to be
Nikita here.
updated then.
Sure, man. I'm still so don't get it, but don't date it, but I'm getting there. I know you know.
You will.
Egg.
So I went there, I recorded everything, one take, then I finished.
The song.
Yeah,
When
and I
day,
went back home with the song.
I said, when you go to make a song, highlight me on this one. But do you guys go in the studio one day and it's done?
It depends. Sometimes biterwa n'ukuntu ibintu bimeze na gahunda. If you want to make a song in one day, you do it.
Seriously, like I can go and I'll just be like, I'll pay the money and then you guys, I need a song right now.
You have to work on it first.
I mean, like I worked on the lyrics.
Yeah, I worked on it. If I have a song written, I have a beat.
Oh, you have a beat too.
If I have a beat and
do you take your beats? I thought like the beats they make them for
or you go there. You go there, you start from scratch with the producer. You start making a beat, and you drop your lyrics if you have them. Then it's done. He calls. He schedules another. You have to schedule another day to come get the song.
Okay, so like you just give him some time to make the song, put it together.
Or if he can mix it in one day and master it. That's up to him.
And then say, wait, do you make your own beats? Cyangwa, do you get
I have a producer. Prozed.
Oh, you have a producer.
Yes, shout out Prozed.
Lozia.
Prozed.
Prozed. Like Prozed.
Zedwi Nyamirambo.
Zedwi Nyamirambo. I know Zedwi Nyamirambo.
There is Nyamirambo. You know him?
Oh, yeah, Zedwi Nyamirambo. I know him like I'm one of his online families.
Oh, okay.
You know,
he's a tweet too. He likes tweeting so much.
Oh, yeah. To know kuri Twitter. I know I think I know more his tweets kurusha IG.
Yes.
Like I didn't know painted black ari umuhanzi nari ko ari umuntu ukora nyine post ziri black and white kuri IG
OG.
And I heard his song and I was like, ooh, you think you have a song together too?
Yeah.
And I had the song.
Too. Yeah.
And I was like, you can sing too? I thought like he just make pictures black and white.
He sings. He does visual whatever.
Oh, he's a singer. I mean, a rapper.
Yeah, he's an engineer.
Oh my, that's a lot.
Okay, an upcoming engineer.
Oh,
like soon to be.
Soon to be.
Yeah,
aspiring to be.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah,
so going back on you. So like you started music. Yeah, let's go back on you. Because today is your day. Let's talk about you.
No problem.
So another question is like you started doing music and stuff.
And the producers, I mean, there's not Prozed only. There's Joe Cash. There is Kinabeat. There is.
Yeah. Oh, I mean.
And we all work together. Yeah.
Oh, you have like a team?
Yeah.
What is the name of the team?
Loud Sound.
Loud
Sound Music.
Loud Sound Music.
Yeah.
It's a family.
We work independently.
But
we work together.
Okay, it's a team, but everybody has their role. Like
it's a big old
team. Okay, that's good. That's pretty interesting.
Yeah.
Before we end this, like for good, can you give us like a freestyle?
Yeah.
Your new song, I guess it's nice.
Your
new song.
My new song.
Yeah, you can look and Joe and Kevin.
Ngira icyo ushaka nkore nakatiye ubufezi n'ubuyeri bw'abasore naguye mu mugezi w'urukundo ni nka fose mbi inukiriza indebe z'amafoto yanjye yose bebe undimi ideni ry'umutima wakokoye nakunze ndi umupeti igihe cyinshi nakotoye ku muhigo w'ibiceri imana igize ibyo nakoze uri umuzigo uri inyenyeri muri kiri byanjye byose wahinduye amateka girl wangize icyo nakekaga ufite uko ubigenze ngewe sinzi ibyo ukoresha urukundo rugotesha izi ndege ndapowesha ndabizi ndi umusega amakosa ndayemera baby you the one that helped me I done been through hell and back and you the one that saved me I done been with baddies that fucked up on some petty shit and most about the fatty and so many tryna get me shit. Imitambo natanze imipango napanze byose ni byawe kuko nasanze nawe usa nkawe overdosing girl iri nka drogue yeah I got too many hoes but you know you above them
whoa. But I had something in the lyrics. What was that? Did I hear like umusega or something? Like seriously? You called yourself that?
Yeah.
What did you do?
It means.
It means what?
It means umusega. It's like you're. I'm a dog. Like I'm always with beaches. That's what I'm always with. So many. I have so many beaches. I'm doing.
I couldn't believe
I have another song it's called Umusega already.
Really?
Yeah, after ikurikira ibitambo on the EP.
Okay, well, you should check it out on his EP.
You should check it out.
Yeah, and then seriously, like when I was like,
I'd be like, yeah, I'm a savage nigga and do Umusega.
Okay, but you know really one, it's a song.
Yeah, it's a song.
Okay.
It's a metaphor, it's a punchline, something like that.
It's a punchline.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is good because it's so
a dope. It's a legendary Kenya Rwanda punchline. No one will ever do that.
Yeah, don't use that at home. Do not do this at home.
Why not?
I mean, in front of your parents, they might kill you.
I know. Right?
I mean, you could say it around your friends, but around your parents,
No man, we explicit. We bad boys. We do whatever we want. We explicit. We're bad boys. We do what we want, even in front of our parents. Okay, not everything, of course, but
yeah, not everything. Yeah. Sometimes when you have to. Funny. So this time we're about to kwinjira mu buzima busanzwe, and you're gonna tell us. Uri mwana wa kangahe?
Umwana wa mbere.
Wa mbere, hage wa mbere ni imfura.
Ndi imfura.
Uri imfura mu bana bangahe?
Mu bana batatu.
Kosha mubyara nk'abazungu. I mean, iwanyu babyaye nk'abazungu. Abana batatu muri like you're the firstborn and then
and the girl and the boy.
Okay, how old are you? I remember asking, but I didn't get the answer.
I turned 22 this month. Last month.
Last month.
February. 2nd February.
What date?
2nd February.
2nd February. Tariki ya kabiri z'ukwa kabiri. That's 99.
Yeah.
99.
Yeah, I was born in 1999.
Okay. And another thing, who's your favorite artist mu Rwanda?
Mu Rwanda, I don't have a favorite artist. Mfite benshi. Ariko nyine bari mu kigero cyanjye like my friends.
Yeah, and that's okay. Kuko like when I ask me, she said like Wowe, her favorite. Then is it like Arnaud Gray?
Yeah, Arnaud Gray.
Yeah, Nikita. Like, so you tell me yours too. It doesn't have to be like we don't know, like, cause it has to be your favorite.
My favorite artist.
Yeah, but okay, give me Bani. Mu Rwanda.
Bane mu Rwanda.
Bane si benshi cyane bane.
Okay, wa mbere. Wa kane. Okay, reka ndeke kubivanga
nta kibazo. Okay, what you can just mention and then for nago wa mbere wa kabiri bose baravanga abandi go. It's alright, ni bane.
But the first one is myself.
Yourself.
I am my favorite rapper.
The man himself is the first one. Okay.
And there is so many amazing rappers. There is Ish Kevin. There is Ririmba.
Okay.
There is OG Two-Tone. Yeah. There is Kivumbi King.
Yeah, me too. I'm a big fan of him.
He's great. There is Treasy Boy. Treasy is called Treasy.
Oh, okay.
Treasy 96, yeah, Treasy 96. And there is
I think I've seen Ndirimbo na Betray.
In this Tizo, yeah, na Betray.
Yeah, I think so. I think I've seen the song.
In this Tizo, Yasin in this Tizo. Now I'm going now muri Loud Sound. I'm going to Yasin in this Tizo.
They're part of the team.
Yeah, they're part of the team. There is Logan Joe. Yeah, I don't know why I took time.
Cool.
I have so many favorite artists. I can't. I know so many dope artists that I consider favorite.
A favorite.
Nubwo hari abantu benshi ne batari baba
Menya. Ako ubazi urabizi ko they are good.
Bazi too. Yeah.
Okay, what about
Painted Black?
Painted Black.
the whole team. I'm buri wese mbafite ikintu mwemeraho.
mukundiraho, and you can listen to them.
Maestro Bowman, Maestro, you know Maestro Bowman? You will know
I
by
will
him.
know him. I'll get to know him.
He did, yeah, for real, soon. And who else? So many artists, man.
There are many. I mean, and they're all good. You know, no
Yeah.
point that they haven't made it to the mainstream media, but they'll get there. What about Africa?
Mura Africa is Nasty C, Shane Ego, Black Bones from Nigeria,
Black Bones. I
and
think I
Calligraph
heard of him.
Jones from
Jonas, I know him.
and then the AKA from
AKA South Africa
Casper.
is good too,
Yeah.
and worldwide.
Worldwide. Not gonna mention Gabos. There's so many.
There's so many. Okay, but it's like the top 3 ones.
The top 3 favorite artists. Drake.
Drake. Okay. Drake and Drake and Drake and Drake.
Drake
And Drake kabiri
and Naj.
now worldwide.
Drake and myself.
Drake and you. And then
No, Kenny Keshat and Drake.
Kenny Keshat and then Drake.
Yeah.
And then Drake. So another question is how do you see relationships? Like your beliefs about relationships.
I don't have any beliefs about it. If you want to get into a relationship, it's up to you.
As in, how do you view it them? They could want to understand your side of the story. Like, how do you see them? Your opinions about relationships.
My opinions about relationship. My opinion about relationship is that you have to get in. You have to be in a relationship with someone you know well.
Okay.
You know.
Okay.
That's the only. You have to know them
very well.
Yeah.
Like how well?
In order to avoid getting with someone you don't know, and then later finding the worst stuff.
You mean it's good to date your best friend?
Yes, that's definitely good.
So it's
if you have a best friend and you get along and you feel like you want to date,
you're at the same page.
Yeah,
so
at the same page, and you feel like you guys are in love and ready to whatever.
Yeah. So don't you feel like
your best friend that would last long than someone you just meet in a party. And the next day you meet again, you smash, and next week you're dating.
You're strangers, you're dating.
Yeah, next month you're gonna break up.
So you feel like a relationship happened mostly between best friends, like someone you're pretty close.
Someone you really know, someone who knows you. You need to get to know each other before you
like,
get into a relationship.
How many? Do you believe in 90 days rule? 90 days, like to get to know each other, like before 90 days.
Nah, I believe like in a year rule. 90 days.
90 days is a short time.
It's a short time.
Seriously, like like a year, whole year.
Yeah, I need to get to know you well, like know you well.
I'm sure there's people out there who've got 90 days at dating any time. So
90 days to get to know each other. I don't.
Okay, I mean that's why it's your opinion. It's okay. That's okay too.
I don't know.
Year.
Like if you feel like if you force yourself someone so much, you might end up. For me, I might end up losing interest.
Okay.
It's good you start as friends
and get to know each other
better. If you feel like you might date her, then you
then go for it. But when you know like this person is my kind of person.
Yeah.
Okay, so that was good. Another thing, like so far, where are your challenges? You know, in the music industry,
what
challenges? And big obstacles so far.
Man, there's no
aspiring musician. I mean,
as aspiring musician.
Yeah, you inspire a lot of people. Since like I'm sure there's a lot of people who look up to you.
Yeah,
a lot of them. So
the challenge is like with like promoters. Shows. We don't have shows nowadays because of the corona and everything.
But what about before COVID? Were you getting the shows?
Nah, that's the problem. Like we have to get more. We need more sponsors. As upcoming artists. More businesses should
invest in you guys.
Invest in us.
cyangwa.
Yeah.
Do you think
Believe in
like
us,
the
'cause
platform
we're
for you
changing.
guys is not enough?
Hmm?
Do you feel like the platform ntabwo ibaha nk'umwanya uhagije wenda?
Yeah, but we don't even need it. We just keep working. We keep
But you deserve it because
We
since
do-
your art is good.
Which-
I
which-
mean,
which
the platform, and I mean, like this mainstream.
the mainstream.
media.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, you say-
they never gave us a chance before, because
I feel like
when you're upcoming, you're always underrated. Wherever you go. So we made the way, the internet.
Thank you.
But the radio stations or
It still doesn't play you guys, and
yeah.
I mean that's where but the good thing is like nowadays when we go shifting, I'm just
Yeah, the good thing is it's shifting. Challenges ziri kugenda zigabanuka.
Ariko you
And
faced them.
we faced them, so many challenges. Plus, I was doing music in English.
Yeah, it's
So they
but
were like,
do you believe like doing music in English ufite aba audience bakumva like in the society?
Yes, of course, everywhere. We all listen to English music. Everyone listens to English. Everyone
do you
knows
see
English
like
nowadays.
barayizi cyangwa barabyumva?
Niba batabyumva bazabyumva. You feel?
Okay, for
Because
me,
this
like,
is the vision.
This is the vision. I mean, this is vision 2020.
Yeah, we're in the edge of
technology.
technology.
It's
So
interesting. I
we
believe
are
like mu
supposed to know
Rwanda urubyiruko rwinshi ruzi icyongereza at this moment kubera ko twiga mu cyongereza, and it's been like since 2008.
8, 9.
Usambwira niba hashize imyaka hafi 10
You see a guy, he's doing his thing in English, and you're like, well, you think you're gonna make it?
Yeah, you're
not. They be like, no. You see a guy making his music in English and be like, you think you're gonna make it? No, you're not gonna make it. Kandi hashize imyaka 10. Like Rwanda system is
yarahindutse ari mu cyongereza.
Everyone, we need everyone. Abakora ikinyarwanda is dope.
It's
amazing.
dope, yeah.
But we need everyone.
I feel like you guys will
English,
take our music to the next level.
Yeah,
like,
we have to.
I feel like I listen to what is Nasty C.
He's my favorite African artist.
Rapper.
Yes.
I think like me too, he's my favorite because I mean like I listen to Nasty C kuko aririmba mu cyongereza nkabyumva. Imagine aririmba.
Do you know how many people listen to Nasty C? Yeah, exactly. That's a good example. Even in Rwanda, so many people listen to Nasty C. And we're like, why can't you listen to my music?
Yeah, why can't you listen to music? I mean, we have our own Nasty C over here.
Yeah, you already know.
We should be listening to you.
Yeah, I know, right?
And we're out there listening to Nasty C, Uri, Niwari Calligraph Jones. And who else that one American?
Yeah, the secret is for the music to grow, we have to support our own. As other countries do.
Yeah, as other countries do.
Bitavuze ko batumviza abandi, but they put their own people
imbere. That's why even people were agenda places. That's why like we get to listen to Nasty C. Kukuwa we promoted, and then we got a chance to know him too.
Exactly.
So I feel like you guys too, if you get promoted at home, you're going to go worldwide.
So far.
Yeah, it's
gonna be amazing. People gonna be like, yo, we thank you guys for putting the city on the map.
Yeah, and we will be grateful one day. I mean, it's gonna be pretty soon. Kuko nkuko turi kubibona, as in tumaze imyaka 12 dukoresha English. We're muri English system.
Yeah.
So since 2008, abantu bose Generation Z, millennials, we are all using it in English.
Yeah.
So ikindi kindi Kinyarwanda will not take us places. Kuko muri Tanzania ntago biga Kinyarwanda, Kenya they don't.
Yeah.
Man.
But nowadays I try to mix so I can do something different.
It's something different.
Mixing English and Kinyarwanda. Exactly. Hakajyamo n'agantu z'akabanyarwanda.
Ku buryo umuntu nanakumva.
Yeah, itavuga ngo wait. This nigga is Rwandan.
Yeah, that's good too. Anyway, was there a time you felt like giving up?
Yeah. I felt like it, but I always,
you never did it.
Of course, your mind, like, you always, sometimes.
Yeah, you're like, man, I should give up this thing.
Yeah, ndarwana niki. But, you have to.
What led you there? Like, like, you get at that point, there's something happen, like, I'd be like.
It was way before when my mom was trying to stop me, like, yeah, this music thing is not.
It's not working for you.
Don't do something else.
Speaking of your mom, was she supportive when you started out?
When I started, of course, every parent is worried. She became supportive. As soon as she saw like how I love this shit, how I perform at school and come back happy and tell her about everything, she was like, maybe this kid, maybe he's got a chance. Maybe he's gonna get somewhere.
Let him, recovering his dream. You never know what
Plus,
might come
one of my aunties talked to her, and she was like, "Yo,
I'm convincing.
You might think it's a game, but it might work.
It might work for him."
And she was. She understood.
So Allah said, my son, just go do what you
No, she didn't tell me like that. Of course, I was always doing it. Mfite urwikekwe. Mvuga ngo okay. I don't want. When I'm writing rhymes, I don't show her, or I hide the books and everything. Ariko nyine byarangiye nyine byakiriye
atangiye kugenda aba nyine you can even do in muri presence and she's like okay with it. I mean I know like African parents baba suspicious bwa mbere gusa when they see like you really love something they will let you do it. So unless she was
not everyone.
Not everyone. I mean not everybody got that chance yo kugira umubyeyi uvuga ati last
True.
So anyway, speaking of challenges, then you're like, okay, bagomba kuzajya playing their very own. So what keeps you going?
What keeps me going?
Yeah.
Now that I see, I know what I want to achieve.
You know what you want to achieve, okay.
So that's the first thing that always kept me going. But now seeing doing songs and seeing people reacting to it.
Okay.
Like more people, attracting more people. Like it like gives me like courage
and hopes.
To keep
like
going.
They're so into your music, like we got
seeing people vibing to me and be like, yo, you're dope, you have to keep going. The positivity I get from people.
Do you ever get any negativity?
Of course, I get negative, but I don't mind that. Never that. I'm a positive person.
Okay.
If you're negative, I won't pay attention.
I don't want to, you don't want the negative vibes. Stay away from me.
For real. No negative.
No negative vibes.
No negative vibes.
Oh, okay. Then, but there's people, is there like someone ukumentaringa? Umuntu who's already in the music industry and then like mentoring you, cyangwa. Anyway, I need you mentor like they're not doing what you're doing, but they're mentoring you to do what you're doing.
I have no mentor.
Okay, so
myself.
you're on your own. But you
I'm
got
self-made.
friends very supportive at least.
Yeah, I have friends who are supportive. Actually, you get knowledge from people you work with. Because but my friends, we work.
Mukora the same, like you're in the same career.
The whole new generation, artists, new generation. I have to learn from them, and they have to learn from me, of course. Because whenever we meet, when we meet, we vibe. I have to learn from you. You learn from me. Yeah.
So like that's how you even do
that's how I do networking.
So where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I see myself big.
How big?
So big, known worldwide.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's
in 5 years. I have to be known
That's
worldwide.
good, and it's possible.
And having millions in my bank account.
Millions in bank account. Okay.
Like $20 million. At least
in dollars.
Yes.
Oh my! You gotta get there. Dreams.
I have to.
Dreams are made to come true.
$20 million in my at least.
$20 million.
Yeah.
It's possible. It's possible. 5 years and you still got a way to go. You're still young and you're working. It's not like you're sleeping.
And it's not like I'm sleeping. I'm working daily.
You're working on it.
I'm not sleeping.
Good luck.
You know?
Good luck at that. I mean,
Yeah, for sure.
everybody got big dreams, but those are big too.
I hope I will see this interview in 5 years.
Yeah,
I'll be like,
and
yeah.
we would just be like, yo, he told us about it. Like, no, it's in the what would you ask the Rwandan community, cyangwa your fans in general, like en general? The media, the people, what would you ask them?
Fans are the ones that keep us going. Friends are the ones are everything, you know. They have to keep supporting you, keep sharing you, keep
sharing your music.
Keep spazzing on these people.
Okay.
Everyone, everywhere you go, you play it. Everywhere you go, you white radio,
okay,
bro.
Yeah,
you know,
sharing with their friends.
Share.
Go tell us
wherever you, even your parents, yeah.
Even your parents. Okay.
I'm ready for the critics. And yeah, I'm on IGM Kshat RW.
Okay.
Kenny K Shot.
Okay, YouTube, what about YouTube?
YouTube, it's Kenny K Shot. That's a new one.
A new one.
But I posted on Dope Crack.
Dope Crack. Okay, Dope Crack. Kenny K Shot.
Twitter K Shot.
IG.
Everywhere it's Kenny
do you have like Spotify or?
Kenny K Shot on
Still
Spotify.
The same name. Yeah.
OG.
That's where you could find him.
On all platforms. Stream the Drill Season EP.
We will do.
Let's call this kid.
I'm getting all of them.
OG.
Period.
OG.
It's indeed. Kenny, thank you so much for being our guest.
Appreciate it.
And the conversation was pretty great. I hope you watch this video like after 5 years and just be like,
I made it.
Our nigga made it.
Yeah.
Made
You
it.
already know. Let's go. Let's get.
Yeah, and it was a pleasure to meet you.
It was a pleasure coming here.
Yeah, we're so happy to have you. And if you have any idea of who could bring next to Watwandikira studio, you could tell us in the comment below. And do not forget to like this video, share it with your friends, your families. Now update when you can have it to upgrade and sharing it. Now it's okay, but start from home. Ukunde music yacu. We have our Nas to see our name over here. Support your guy. So thank you for watching and bye.
Bye.